we will do a scalp routine and a little bit of the neck, because I'm often speaking about the fact that the neck and the scalp are the extension of our face, if not more important to our face than the face itself. I'll start actually with a growth serum for my hair, because once we are going to start with all these massages, it's actually even better because this serum will penetrate way much deeper into the skin and gives you even better results. And the reason why I'm putting my hair down is so this growth serum is not going down my head. This is not sponsored, this is from Vega More, but you can use anything else. You don't have to buy this. Let's start with our first massage. We are going to use our fingers and move in circular motion through the entire scalp. Make sure that you are going and moving the scalp tissue away from your scalp. So you start already wiggling it in circular motion and do it all over. Make sure your shoulders are relaxed while you're doing it. And work really into the scalp. See, my scalp is moving, and this is extremely important. As the next step, we will pull our hair gently. So we will take the roots and start pulling them, even like going in the opposite direction a little bit, like this and like this. And we move from the top to the bottom of the scalp and really get into the roots and give it a little wiggle and a little pull. Going already in the back of my head, because oftentimes we hold the most tension in the back of our head because we are sitting in front of our computers, and this is usually the area which gets most tense over the years, over the weeks, and it's super important to get that elastic, because this will have a huge impact not only on your scalp, your headaches, but also on everything else in the face, like nasolabial folds, which you would not think of. So now I look probably like a crazy lion, but so it gives you also volume after you do this. Now we do the scalp wiggling. So we go into the scalp and really go from right to left, from front to back. And if your scalp is not elastic at all, and I'm sorry for the noise, I hope you can still hear me, it's a huge indicator that you absolutely need to work on that. This is so important, because if your scalp is not elastic and you are expressing yourself, then this part right here gets stuck. So if you are like frowning and it cannot move forward, and then you create wrinkles in the long run. So keep on wiggling. I'm going also in the back. Last seconds and release. Now I would like to show you another technique which is really amazing for your blood circulation in the face, and this is a pulling technique for the ears. And I have my headphones on so you can hear me, but you basically take your ear and you pull and fixate your ear with another hand, and you really pull away everything. And you do that for a couple of seconds. And go also in the ear like a little bit more down, a little bit more up. And really don't be afraid to pull, and use your other hand as resistance. And if your ears get red, amazing, because you increase blood circulation in your entire face. Now do that on the other side. pull your ear, fixate with the other hand, and start pulling gently. And again, I have my earplugs in, or like my headphones, so you can hear me. And so you do that for a couple of seconds more. And release. I'm gonna actually turn around, pull my hair back. It's not gonna be probably the most beautiful hair you've seen, but I want to show you what to do in the back. So I will turn around. I know this is not the most flattering hairstyle and you see me in the back. And we will do a neck massage to enhance this part further. So it looks like this from the front. You're taking your hands and you're going into your entire neck. Keep on going, almost done. Move your hands down your neck like this. Give it also a little stretch. And breathe out. Last exercise for the day. We are holding the neck muscle right here, which is usually very tense. You can even like lift your arm a little bit to grab it. And now we are moving our head while holding that muscle in place to release it and also to feel the tension in that area. Keep on massaging and keep on holding that muscle because at some point it will release. And this has a huge impact on your lymphatic drainage, on your face. Keep on going and don't forget to breathe. Now, let's switch sides. Hold your muscle firm, really grab the tensest part and keep on moving your neck. You can play with the neck movement going a little bit more frontal, more diagonal, whatever feels nice, but keep on holding that tension. And imagine you're pressing it away. Breathe out. Let's do some shoulder circles to end this thing. And relax. So this is a little introduction on what you can do at home without even touching your face and have a huge impact regardless on your skin, on your face, on your beauty and well-being. And this is just a tiny glimpse of what is possible once you start exercising and massaging your face on a daily basis, incorporating also your neck and your spine exercises. You will see huge differences, and it doesn't matter how old you are. You can start at any age. It's super easy. That's why we conceptualize this app at All You Can Face, where you can literally press a button and every day you have your personalized routine ready for you, because we'll ask you some questions and based on that you'll see a program only designed for you, so your friend might see something completely else. And with that being said, I hope you liked the session. I hope you feel a little bit more relaxed and invigorated, and I'll see you soon. Mwah.